Okay, let's have a look at this this hints section to these 4 questions. Remember, so I'm not actually going to tell you the answers. You need to look at the work solutions for that. So this is if you're a little bit stuck. Okay. Remember, you can use a calculator. Now I've chosen these questions because they're high mark questions, so they're ones that we want to get right. So this first question, first bit, think about how you write that plus how you write that. Okay, just write them separately, that's all. Right, so it should really be 2 marks in the bag, that. Right, and again, this one here is quite a nice question. Expand the bracket. Now that take away only applies to this x bit here. So it's take away x plus 2. So whatever you've got, take away one of the x's, add 2. Alright, so it should be 3 marks. Alright, okay, number 2. A television channel shows 12 minutes of adverts each half hour. Key bit there, each half hour. Alright, I nearly missed that. That's quite a lot, isn't it? 12 minutes of adverts. Every 12 minutes, every 30 minutes. That's like loads. Right, the easiest thing to do here is it goes from 5 in the morning to 11 p.m. So how many half hours have you got? Well, let's make that a bit easier to start with. How many whole hours are there? And then just double it because they're half hours. Okay, and then multiply it by 12. So again, really, that should be getting 3 marks. Remember to use your calculator. Okay, you can use your calculator for anything you need to. When you work out from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m., do it in 2 stages. Think about it from 5 until midday, and then midday to 11, and then combine those together. Remember, below, half hours. Right, let's have a look at number 3. Okay, I quite like this one. The actual question above it, it just says 12 cards numbered 1 to 12 put into 6 pairs. Each pair has a total. Complete the table to show the pairs totals. Right, so really, it's 4 marks. So really, this is a bit of trial and error. Now, a good advice here would be to write down the numbers 1 to 12, okay? And then just cross them off when you've used them, right? So we've already used 1 and 2. There we go, they've gone. So this one here, obviously it could be 3 and 6, it could be 4 and 5. You might be able to think something else it could be. So it can't be those. Because we can't put it down straight away because it obviously but we might just experiment. But 2 and 7. Oh no, it can't be 2, can it? Because you've already used the 2. But where I would start with this question, I think I would start with this one because there's less possibilities about what it could be. In fact, there's only one possibility that this one could be, and then I could cross those off, and then maybe look at this one because I don't think there's going to be many possibilities there. Okay. And then you might just have to experiment a little bit. It might just be a bit of trial and error, okay? But you really should be able to get that one right. That's 4 marks. 4 marks. But this is useful. And the last one that I've got for you. Now, I've included this question because it looks dreadful. Right? It's really, I don't like this question actually because it's not just comparing a pack of 8 and a pack of 6. Obviously, at different prices. But to make it even more annoying, what they've done is that they said each battery lasts 5 hours there, and these batteries last 5.5 hours. Like, well, wait a minute, come on, there's too much going on here. Right, okay, so the best, but it's 5 marks, so come on, let's get it right. So the best way of thinking about this is that if these 8 batteries, they all last 5 hours. So let's think about, so 8 times 5, that's how many working hours that you're going to get. Do the same for this. How many working hours do you get with the batteries? Then what you can do is then you can work out, so you get £3.60 for how many hours, so then you could just work out the cost of 1 hour. Work out the cost of 1 hour. Try to set your workings out really clearly as well. So again, the other little tip that I would give you on this is I would break it up like this. Right, okay, right, brand A, okay, so let's write down what we know. Brand B, let's write down what we know. Remember, think about the working hours, and then compare those. Right, and then you're trying to kind of think about the unit cost of each one. All right, so good luck. Hopefully you get on well with those questions, okay? And if you get really stuck, you know, you can look at the work solution. or go back and just watch this again. All right? So have a good go.
If you enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe or leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. I've been RMS Maths and I'll see you next time. Maths out.